Unknown assailant shot dead a 41-year-old man and injured two others near Nambul River bank at Naoremthong Kumanthim Takil Khongbal under Lamphel police station in Imphal West around 7:30 p.m. last night. The deceased has been identified as Sriram Hangsada, a resident of Jharkhand. The two injured individuals have been identified as Bittu Murmu, age 22, son of Srilal Murmu of Dokaban village, Godda district, Jharkhand. He sustained injuries to his right elbow and left knee, and Mittalal Soran, age 50, son of Dorboro Soran of Mokundo village, Godda district, Jharkhand. He sustained injuries to his elbow, palm and neck. They are currently receiving medical treatment at RIMS Hospital. All three victims are laborers working for Keystone Infra Private Limited. Upon hearing the news, security forces including SP of Imphal West rushed to the area. A team of State Forensic Science Laboratory investigated the crime scene, and body of Sriram Hangsada has been kept in RIMS mortuary. Police have registered a case at Lamphel police station and launched an investigation to apprehend the perpetrator. However, the motive behind the attack remains unclear. Police are appealing to the public for any information that could assist in the investigation.